How are you guys? So we are mourning and celebrating life as well as I feel so emotional. I don't know why. Okay, the Queen has passed away. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I feel so emotional. Okay, Jesus Christ. He also did. Why they feel emotional? I don't know. It's even we might feel emotional. Nonsense. One night, a queen I have here. God rest my queen. I've been so heartbroken. Yet it's even we might feel heartbroken. Oh my gosh. I feel so hard.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about the Queen of England. The Queen of England just died, my people. May his soul rest in perfect peace. As I see everybody, they write rest in peace. Now I say, man, go quick find that so before I go carry fake news come out. Now I can see saying the truth. The Queen of England, she don't go. May his soul rest in perfect peace. And I know say she just still old. Where, you know, she don't really old, but anytime you see read so now still go. Someone will just give her the last respect, you know. So may his soul rest in perfect peace. 1 minute silence for our queen. May his soul rest in perfect peace, my people. So make una just give her the last respect. And now no queen again now for England. I believe say na king na go come dey now. Na his son will come take over now. Yeah. I have banana woman. She does still old. Now in time just see result to Busha. So the video not go too long, my people. So Mona just let me give her the last respect. As you say, everybody they give her the last respect since I say okay, make I see do my own, my people. Mona join me, give her the last respect. So, bye everybody. Please let me to share the video.
How are you guys? So we are mourning and celebrating life as well as I feel so emotional. I don't know why. Okay, the Queen has passed away. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I feel so emotional. Okay, Jesus Christ. He also did. Why they feel emotional? I don't know. It's even we might feel emotional. Nonsense. One night, a queen I have here. God rest my queen. I've been so heartbroken. Yet it's even we might feel heartbroken. Oh my gosh. I feel so I'm hot. My spirit is broken. Hi people, good evening. Rest in peace to the she's resting in peace. Look at something. Compare the mannequin in the UK to African mannequin. So she's resting in peace. Okay. She gave power to women in the UK, which is I know she, like, you know, Victorian and other women who fought for the country. I believe it's because of the Queen. You know, they say if a woman can be a queen, why can't we vote? Why can't we do this? Why can't we do that? She's an amazing woman, amazing, but she's gone to rest. Okay, I lost my mother 25th of December last year. Hallelujah, somebody. Queen, say hello to my beautiful mother for me. She have a very beautiful bum bum. Okay, the Queen Elizabeth, may your soul continue to rest in peace. And say hello to my mother for me. Okay, the Queen has gone to rest. Oh my gosh, I feel so emotional. Okay, I think she was it 98 years old? Did she celebrate it great jubilee. I'm not sure, Jesus. I can't remember when last I watched TV, but I think it was 2 months ago, they said the Queen was going to celebrate jubilee. I don't remember if she did celebrate jubilee, okay? Oh my God, did she celebrate jubilee? And I did England. Nonsense. I don't know whether Queen Elizabeth II celebrated the Jubilee. I don't know if she did. May her soul rest in peace. Come on. My mama died. Nothing happened. So, imagine. Okay. We are mourning. We are not going to talk for 3 days. The Queen has passed away. We're not going to cook for 3 days. We are mourning in the UK. We are mourning. She was an amazing Queen. Okay. Y'all know my video is crazy, okay? So my mother died, I was twerking on Facebook, so imagine that. By the way, we're not gonna eat for 3 days. We lost the Queen. No, we didn't lose the Queen. She's gone to rest. She did well. How many years did she spend on the throne? 50 years? Great Jubilee, isn't it? Half a century she spent on the throne. So we're gonna have a king now. Oh my gosh, men are gonna get power now. We're gonna have a king. Prince Charles is gonna be the king of the United Kingdom. We're crowning a king. We're crowning a king. We're gonna crown a king. We're gonna have a king in the UK. Was a queen? Look at it. I can see her on the TV from outside. Oh my gosh, the Queen Elizabeth. We're gonna miss you. Oh, I watch TV from outside. My network is coming back to my home Wi-Fi. Okay, so bear with me. Oh my gosh. Rest in peace to Queen Elizabeth. I'm watching her from TV. We're not shop for 3 days for UK. You see my hair? I fear not let me do hair. 3 days, no hair. Anybody will look beautiful that you're in trouble, okay? Oh, may her soul rest in peace. My condolences, okay, to the royal family. I accept my condolences. Me. Better Osunde that be correct one. I get badge as Osunde. Hi, Messi, you okay? We lost our queen. Our queen passed away. Okay, Queen Elizabeth has passed away today. We are mourning, my dear sister. We are not cooking. Queen is still alive. Okay, it's alive in where? In Cotonou. I knew it won't be easy since she lost her husband. Imagine that. Okay, they've been together since, okay? I can't remember, okay, how old she was. See, they're showing it on TV when she was crowned. Now, I'm watching TV because I've watched the documentary before. I can just see what I can tell what is showing on TV because I've seen the documentary. She was very young when she got married to what's his name, Philip, okay? Prince Philip. Right, she was very young, and now she lost her husband, and now it's her. It's difficult. My father lost my mother. I'm gonna talk about mine as well. Okay, I know what I'm doing to be able to put a smile on my dad's face and make sure that I'm not gonna cover the space, the void of my mother that is in his heart, but I can try to push it a bit and make it nice and sweet, and you know, when he's happy, he doesn't feel sad. It's just like, okay, my wife is gone and that's it. Imagine, you know, so the Queen struggled when she lost her husband Philip. She struggled, and my Jesus, she carries Sakpa Owodi. I don't know who they cry. Who they cry for UK? They say we know shop, I understand. They say we not do hair, I get it. But who they Zuzu? Somebody they cry. She carries Sakpa Ugodi, and Biona. She have, you know, we know the famous ones. The famous grandchildren is Prince Harry and Prince William. Okay, the other ones are famous in their own kind of zone, but the most famous grandchildren is Prince Harry and Prince Williams. All right, and Prince William have children. So I beg, who they cry? I don't understand. I need to call Shake Yasho. You they feel me? All these sad moments. So me know they like say everywhere quiet. Who they cry? Oh? Neighbors, are you guys crying? Not cry when my mama died. My Paula Wagbea. Oh, this is beautiful. We got party clothes right there. Oh, Mercy, my darling. Thank you very much. The Queen died this afternoon. Oh, this afternoon I did work since I just say yes. So I just say yeah, Tafia. That's a man can't laugh. Abi, when my mom died, I was so it was so emotional.